Sometimes people say, Ram, write a book? Nah, it's tough, it's complex and too difficult. And these type of projects are not for me. And yes, people really say such things like that. And see, a person who has come up in life so far with grit, determination and hard work, that every project has its challenges, right? But with the right mindset and proper resources, you can overcome them. Is it not? But it's natural to feel overwhelmed by a project that involves writing a book, speaking on stages, or giving interviews. It appears complex and feels like a lot of work at the beginning, I agree. But hear me out, please. Difficulty is not a measure of your ability or suitability for a task. It's simply a challenge that is not yet overcome. All it needs is strategy, support, and of course, determination. It appears complex because you still don't know how to go through it. People avoid tough and challenging tasks because they feel uncomfortable about the potential for failure. But you already know, true growth and development often comes from stepping out of your comfort zone and facing challenges head on, right? In a way, if it does appear complex and tough at this time to write a book or give a speech or become a top influencer, ultimately it only works to your advantage because other people also think what you did is so difficult or complex, and that makes you a class apart, isn't it? I say this all the time in my seminars. Even if people don't read your book, just the fact that you have written it gets you a great deal of respect, reputation, and credibility. Yes or yes? So instead of focusing on the difficulties of the project, focus on what you can do to overcome them. What resources do you have available? Who can help you, coach you? Where can you find all the support you need? Reflecting on these kind of questions can help you identify the right opportunities to move forward. On the other hand, if you continue to believe that it is too difficult and not meant for you, you may miss out, my friend, on the opportunity to become a true leader, an authority influencer. So take a step back and reevaluate the project. Identify the challenges and seek out the resources to overcome them. Don't be afraid to ask for help, and remember that every project has its challenges. It's how you approach and handle them that determines your success. At Stardom, we handhold each and every client we work with, provide them with all the help, the support, the strategies, the resources, and also the services they need so that they can rise up and reach the next level in their influence journey. So don't delay, go ahead, visit any of our branded websites like authority-influencer.com or stardombooks.com and check out how you can join us and elevate your identity to a whole new level. See you on the inside.